In most divorces, the marital home is the largest shared asset on the table. It is also the one tied to the most emotion and the most conflict. The faster it gets resolved, the better, financially and personally. This video covers exactly how the sale process works under New York law and why a cash sale is often the cleanest path forward for both parties. First, who has the right to sell? New York is an equitable distribution state, which means the marital home is typically considered marital property regardless of whose name is on the deed. Both spouses generally must agree to a sale. If that agreement cannot be reached, either party can petition the court to order the sale, but that process takes time and money that most couples would rather not spend. That court process is called a partition action. A judge can order the property sold and the proceeds divided, but this can take 6 to 18 months and adds significant legal costs on top of what you are already spending on the divorce. A negotiated sale, even a fast cash sale, almost always costs less in time, money, and emotional toll than going through the courts to force it. On how proceeds get divided, New York equitable distribution does not automatically mean 50-50. Courts consider the length of the marriage, each party's financial contributions, earning capacity, and other factors. Most divorcing couples negotiate a split as part of their overall settlement. Your divorce attorney should be involved and should approve any sale terms before you close. Here is why a long listing period makes a difficult situation worse. When you list with an agent during a divorce, both parties have to agree on the list price, which repairs to make, and when to allow showings. Either spouse can create conflict that delays or kills the deal entirely. Meanwhile, 3 to 5 months of mortgage, taxes, and utilities keep accumulating. Every week on market is another week both parties stay financially tied to each other and to the conflict. A cash sale sidesteps most of that. A cash close happens in 7 to 21 days. No repairs, no showings, no months of joint decision-making required. Both parties receive their agreed share from the closing proceeds. The home comes off both balance sheets quickly, and everyone can move forward. For most divorcing couples, the speed and certainty of a cash sale outweigh the difference in sale price. Before you close, both parties need to understand a few things. Both spouses must sign the deed at the closing table in New York. Your divorce attorney should review and approve the sale terms. The split of proceeds should be agreed in writing before closing day. The title company or closing attorney handles the disbursement to each party, and if there is a mortgage on the property, it gets paid off first from the proceeds. The practical path forward looks like this. Have your divorce attorney confirm the sale is authorized under your current proceedings. Get a cash offer so both parties have a real floor number to evaluate. Agree on the proceeds split in writing with both attorneys involved. Set a closing date that works for everyone. Close, disperse, and move forward separately and cleanly. Call us at 5165-486558 or visit thepropertyfather.com. We have helped Long Island families resolve the marital home in days, not months. We can have a cash offer to both parties within 24 hours with no pressure and no ongoing joint decisions required.